Let me take you through some of the things that we think about when we design a menu for a client. I'm Maxwell Billings. I'm a graphic designer, brand director, and founder of 87. I've worked on brands, big and small, and I'm here to share with you some of the things that I've learned. For any restaurant or business, what goes into your menu should be something that's thoughtful. It should be something that's created to actually drive business. The first thing we wanted to do was make it really easy for people to understand what the steps were. So we highlighted the key areas that people needed to pay attention to. We aligned them all on this left side, so at first glance, someone could look at the menu very quickly and see what the steps were. To improve legibility, we left aligned all the sections, the details within each of the categories. We created a very simple icon system to help people understand the menu, whether they were ordering something that was premium, contained gluten, or if something was spicy. To improve speed and put a focus on the pre-made standard bowls, which the team could put together quickly, we enclosed the house bowls into its own box to drive attention. Pushing people to go with those options increases speed, a focus on trying to get more customers through the door. If you want more branding and design tips, like and follow for more.